Na Myntri Rangbah Khubor kontrak ke Sangma dawa kinong yalam ka Nehu Students Union Nehu Su KSU Nehu Unit kinong hikai bat kinong train Nehu bantuklar halor ka jingdko trai kam joko skul ba namar ka jingbam don u vice chancellor bakpura katkum ka dorkas bala IT ha Myntri Rangbah Khubor kontrak ke Sangma haka khatsau tarik kalalengkot 8,000 arpun riu layathu ya ka Jingjah Rngai u vice chancellor ka Nehu Professor PS Shukla ulaja na Nehu menta la saus pa arpu saus Sngi bat kani kala takjur haba yadei bat ki kam ki jam hapo kani ke skul ba haba kran syakilat pathai Khubor na kalyang ki dekhot jong ka Nehu Su bat Nehu ta bat KSU Nehu unit kila penpau ba kajingbam don u vice chancellor bapura kala penpulam ki bor lane ki statutory bat ki committee jong ka Nehu kabayalam syaka jingdeko ka Pule puthi hapo kani ke skul ba Kila dawan o Myntri Rangbah Khubor banyak keren berkesor kar pedeng bat panweng mardor yo VC ke Nehu Professor PS Shukla kenang ba ke skul ba kanla ban tre kambiang Khuborjylla.
Kenduk jengi menta ya i CM i Sir Konrad Sangma nila yok banyak keren banyak thir banyak tai video ke jing ke tungku ke jing kenduk apo Nehu hi naduk sinam ge monswa hadu kini klip mat ma mata halor ke jing bomdon jengi ki kli di badi pej ya ka Nehu kentum naduk ke jing bomdon jong u VC kepala kenjok seduk sini ke bah saus pa ap saus ni ke mentali ngimdon su wat ki officer ke ben charge kentum naduk finance registrar ai ru apo campus tengi si snow bang ila syam jing sha habai di bakani kai ka baja apo Nehu nomar ka kalak tak sibun umdi tangi ki kena puli wadi nong tri ru kumju ri kena puli lingin ong naduk ka scholarship ru bangin apply ru kala syam jing sibun nomar ba mdon ba sign dan ba page file apo kani school ba te kumju ru nilai ban nyatai bi ban i nagaliang jong iru i ongba in persang hi kat ba ila ban ya kren ban ya ban yarap hi school ba ni hu tingis ngo banong ba let's say kani ka jing kendu jong i ya sa konrad ru kadi gawe ni ki benta ka ba let's say nuan ra yo so hapo school ba ni hu ba ba nila ban yo ban yi pat ba school jong i school ba jong i kan yo ya ka ai sai sin pat i kinong pej no khmi ki babiang ki bala ban kentiu ya ka school ba sejrong hi bro kawe omdei ba ngin su ap khmi ban ngin su yo sngo ya ki bala ja hi bro kini singi ki bala kata bat ki kalwa penhiar dor si kadai ya ka school ba jungi na jingsang ya di bandon ki rang ki ba kamakli nri na gini ki jingjah ki ba kenrum kenram ki bangi tunghu na por ha kini senam bat hadu kini singi bamta ni ba school ba kala syak tajur bat wat ka puli puthi jong ki para samla puli ru la hiar syatru tengi so banong ba sai sin hi ngin persang hi kum ki samla puli jong ni school ba la ibori barit long kat balong ru ngin persang hi ban penyo yau tau usok jeng jing job bat kita ka jing besar ka bahok habidi ba jing ya tungku jing hapo school ba ni hu tang kita
pat ka ba hiyo keren
nilai yo ikran ba di sa yong ba kai ka ba ila nagaliang jungi kentup i ba sejrong ki sapo ru let's say la bandai sepo ministry ne hapo state ru in persang hi ban ya keren ban wara kai ka ba ka school ba ni hu hi ka angnut bangin yo ya kita ki beri badi pej bat ki badi khmi ki ban la ban penyat ya ki kam ki ba la sakut na katuan ni por hapo school ba ni hu hi tengi ngech khamba ka jing nagaliang jung iru in wanra hi in persang hi bat in yarap hiru ya school ba ni hu mangi ya kendu jing e menta ban ngech ru ba usok ka jing job hingin sayo hi akan ni klip mat ka menta
na penta joki non teaching staff association ngin lawan lang ni ban ya dan bentalang na banta ka ni kam kabakia ba dan sunok mikmat ban penia ke university tiga ba kam susi susu kalong ba nolo bagi naduna staff mentang don hapo aspa ngut ki regular staff tigi degi parlok jongi ki contractual ki outsource ki bayarap ingi na kapor ban kentiu ya ke university tigi khim yo ya ka tulop jongi ba de hok kon yo la kamba khandai spa ngut ye tingi ya kendu ye ya honorable CM ngida sungu ba i yong me intervene babuni mata jangan nihu namar bangi i ka weru kalong ba ka jingdu no ka jing e jangan nihu ka wan ra ka jing wan ra e ka jing e ka pleng ja jong ki ba duk bosuk tingi habanya simkhiai ka ni ti ho kita ki salary provision kumbalai kran ki samla hang ni ngin ya persang ban penya e ka nihu ban bat ngi request you honorable CM ba in le lam ya ka e ka baila na kalyang jong i te nga kerpat ru pi pras bin sungthu bangi ngi hawan ni kulum lang manya ya ka uju ka jingmut bannya mer jingmut nyam ta ka well-being na menta ka Jingjah jong ka university lamar balada ngami ka university ngi berkhot ka rihu jong ngi ka wanra ka jinge om tang ya ka jingnang start ya ka Shillong Pule jong ni rei ka wanra ya wat ya ka plengja jong beduk bosuk markhap marjan jong ka maulai berkhoi tangita khubismu
kita pemantau untuk kekasan tarik Desember di provinsi Jungi wana Shillong kampas ila reside te mentapat nidang don pat sawi provinsi Shatura kampas te kata ka solution ka bangi ko awan ra kalong ba inwan sane banchim kum i acting visi ane ban paniat ka kam ka bay update pat ki administration head namar ngim don mano paniat hadum ta te kadon shibun ka jingta nam ta khana kum bangi ong he ka to sngi habe debit ki fellowship kum ju ki results pat la ban declare hadum ta mana namar bum don mano approve te ta kada daw ngi don kam mana peniat ane ukli jongka university dan peniat ki kam namar ban appoint registrar ngi don kam nang tai FO habe dei baro pat ki nong tre ru kumju kum bakhandai spangot ki nong tre ki casual worker kim pat yo ya ka tulap jingke hadu menta te den ta kada daw ngi wan sim ka basngo khya nong ta jingkit khli ki jongi amta university baro ko wei te tangata hi ngi wan tas ngi kendu pat i chief minister ban ngi skam ba akane ka jingwan kendu jongi i long ka ba job ka seso tangata hi kubishbun.
I think this is the third phase of our meeting. I think the students have met the governor, then we met the education minister. Today we have met the CM to apprise him of the prevailing scenario in Nehu, and where we all know, we all stakeholders have really very openly expressed that the university doesn't have any administrative head as of now, as you all know. There is no VC, there is no Pro VC, there is no registrar, there is no finance officer as such, and that is creating a lot of administrative hurdles for the university, and that's how we try to convey to him that please intervene, if possible use your good office to bring a resolution in Nehu so that at least we have an administrative head. So naturally the request from our side will be the same one that we did even last time, that he should, if possible, try to intervene in whichever way possible to see that we have an administrative head in the university. What he will do, of course, naturally we leave it to his wisdom, but we believe that he have understood the gravity of the situation, and I'm sure he will do whatever he can to ensure that the headquarters of Nehu at Shillong will be fully functional in next few days time, and we are very, very hopeful. I think all of us are convinced that he is serious about taking this issue up, particularly maybe asking most likely I believe that he will use his good office to convey to family that she is the Pro VC of Nehu right now, the only Pro VC of Nehu, so statutory provisions has to be respected. So I'm sure the statutes clearly says that when the VC is not there, the Pro VC has to perform the duty. If not, of course she has to express it very explicitly, because it has to be in writing, because the students have sent an email to her signed by all of us as stakeholders and if she has decided one way or the other, that is to come or not to come, I think it has to be given in writing. And once we have that in writing, then of course the next course of action will follow, because the statutory provision says that when the PVC is not there, then the senior most professor will perform the duty of the vice chancellor. But right now, because there is a PVC, that options cannot be used at this point of time. So we want that explicitly she should express herself that whether she is coming here in Shillong and performing the duty of the VC, or she will prefer not to come. In that case, whether this way or that way, I think she has to give it in writing. And because once we have in writing, then it is official. Because right now saying to press that I don't want to make any comment will not help us, because we need somebody to run, because a lot of things, like we have already expressed earlier, a lot of things are at stake. The most important, like my friends from non-teaching staff have said, the salary of the non-teaching staff, contractual as well as the outsourced from the outsourced agency, there are 900 of them. December salary they are yet to receive, and this is totally unprecedented, because somebody has to sign, somebody sitting in the chair in Shillong campus has to sign that approval, and that approval has to come, because it's a matter of livelihood. So we are all deeply concerned for our fellow non-teaching staff who are working very hard to run the university, and hence their salary should be forthcoming immediately. And for that, I think the Honorable CM's intervention will really be helpful, more so to have that clarity that whether or not Family Marak is going to come to the headquarters to perform the VC, or she would prefer to remain PVC of Tura campus only. So that is where I think we have expressed also very, very explicitly that we can't have a standstill of this kind anymore. Maybe I hope that in the next 1 day, 2 day, I think we'll have a resolution which is totally in-house. I would say yes, what ministry will do with the Vice Chancellor, that is the other part of the story. We want him to be removed. Whether they will do it, when they will do it, that we cannot dictate. But right now, we want that at least in-house, whatever the statutory provisions are there, should be implemented in letter and spirit, so that there is a functioning VC's office at the headquarters of Nehu and Shillong. That's what we wanted, and that's what we have in uprising.
Solution what has been remaining silent on this?
See, I won't say they've been remaining silent, but it is not very visible that they are really making maybe they are making attempts, but there is no response from the other side. And that's what I think when we met the education minister, we got the same kind of response, that they have been trying to convince the ministry to intervene and remove Professor Shukla. But ministry have their own ways and to do things, and I can very conveniently say that they have not responded well from the ministry side, irrespective of the fact that a lot of requests has gone from the state government side. Yes, it has not been demonstrated in a much bigger way, which we would have expected that the state government, because after all, Nehu is ours. The jurisdiction of Nehu is only within the state of Meghalaya. So what happens in Nehu should be a concern for each and every one, including the one who is running the show in the government. And for government, because after all, these students are our flesh and blood. Teachers are your flesh and blood. The non-teaching staff are. This whole infrastructure is ours. This Nehu is going to stay here. VC may come and go. We may retire after some time. We will all retire. But then university has to stay. So I think the onus lies with the state government, that the welfare of Nehu should be the priority of the state government, not only the stakeholders who will keep fighting, keep coming to the street. I think I do believe that state government should play more crucial role, I would say, vis-a-vis getting Professor Shukla removed. When it will happen, we really don't know. He's left out barely with 5 months now. July is where his term is going to end. But what we would like to request as stakeholders, that to all state government, currently the MDA2 is there, that please don't take Nehu in isolation. Nehu is part and parcel of Meghalaya. What happens in Nehu matters to the whole state of Meghalaya. So if Nehu fails, the whole state of Meghalaya will fail. If Nehu rise up, I think we all as stakeholders will rise up, because our students, our teachers, our non-teaching staff are studying there, teaching there, working there. So the welfare of Nehu should be the priority as far as the state government is concerned. And at least that we have expressed. Whether or not it get translated into concrete actions from their side, of course, that is for the time to see. We really don't know. In coming days, maybe we will see. But certainly you are right when you pose this question, that it has come, but it has not come that forcefully from the state government side to get a resolution which should be in the favor of the stakeholders for the larger interest of the university. That is, to get an absentee VC who is absent for last 424 days, to get him out, and advertisement for the VC of Nehu should come as soon as possible. I mean, naturally, he have understood and he knew the gravity of the situation. Of course, it is nothing new, because Nehu has been in this scenario from November 2024. So he knows the story. But then he was looking for what is the most immediate plausible solution to this problem. And that's why we have given these options that, since there is a PVC of Nehu who is in Tura, she has to come here. That will be one. So we have requested, and look like he have taken it very, very seriously. And I do believe that he will do the needful. I mean, what he will do, we didn't feel like asking, because sometimes it is not appropriate for us to ask. But I do believe that enough message has been conveyed to him, and enough response we have received from his side, that he will try to do something so that the Nehu at the Shillong campus gets stabilized. And once that happens and we have somebody in the chair, I think everything will roll out after that. And so there's no issue. And I believe that he is very, very serious when it comes to taking up this issue, at least what is possible in-house.
Okay.